Hi, everybody. I'm Amanda. I'm an e-commerce account manager with Interact One. We're an e-commerce agency that's been around for over 26 years, helping merchants on platforms like Shopify and Magento. And today I wanted to answer the question, how does Shopify handle user-generated content? This is a very common question we've gotten from some of our clients and some prospects as well. And so I wanted to take some time today to dive in and give you guys a quick answer. I like to keep these videos short and sweet, so I hope I don't sound like a broken record, but with Shopify, something to keep in mind is that user-generated content tools are not necessarily baked into the platform, but as always, you can layer on top of the platform and bring in these third-party apps and integrations in order to achieve the expected outcome that you're looking for. So that is the answer to this video. Shopify natively does not offer really any tools for user-generated content, but you can very easily integrate with some other tools, and so that is what we are going to talk about today. We have another video about user-generated content and kind of how to gather that and really pull all of that together from your customers. But really quickly, I just want to say some of the tools that we recommend for Shopify are Target Bay. So Target Bay has a system called Bay Reviews, and it's a really strong application for pulling in those reviews. It's customizable, so you can also choose what you want to display on your website versus not. It's great with filtering reviews and trying to kind of find those keywords that you're looking to create content around. So that is going to be a really great tool, and we recommend that kind of as our number one integration for UGC when it comes to Shopify merchants. Apps like Bay Reviews inject widgets into product pages, collections, and home pages using sections or blocks. So they're very dynamic and easily editable and controllable within the Shopify platform. And it's not baked in, but it's even better because you have a separate location where you can really control and view all of that data that you're collecting. So overall, a quick summary is that Shopify handles traffic and performance and, obviously all of the normal things that come with an e-commerce platform and handling transactions. But UGC platforms really will help you handle the moderation, the storage, and the syndication of these reviews and all of this content, even at scale. So if you're wondering how to set these up, you guys can reach out to us at interactone.com. We have a contact form that we regularly monitor and get back to people on. And we also offer free consultations for this as well. If you guys are looking to get set up, but you're not really sure where to start, or even if you're on the right platform, we'll give you guys kind of a roadmap. And then also feel free to like, comment, and subscribe and keep up with our weekly videos because I do want to do a deep dive on UGC again, refreshed for 2026 at some point. Thank you guys for watching.